In front of me is Nokia XR20, and let me show you how to change language in Google Assistant. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Google. Now go to settings for Google Apps and then pick Google Search Assistant and Voice, the last option here. Now pick Google Assistant and then mark languages. And right here you can smoothly change language by picking the current one and selecting a new one. If you'd like to have two languages, just click on Add Language and then select another one. And that would be all. This is how you can choose language for speaking to your Google Assistant. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.